Okay, geometry students, here's a video for example 5 for section 6.2. We're going to start off with the trapezoid mid-segment theorem. If we have a trapezoid, and it doesn't matter if it's isosceles or not, but the mid-segment is going to be a piece that cuts right through the center, like BA gets cut in half at X and CD gets cut in half at Y. Okay, it doesn't mean these are the same length, but these two are the same length, and these two are the same length. And it turns out that XY is going to equal the average of BC and AD. So one way of thinking of it is XY equals half of, if you add AD plus BC and cut that number in half, you'll have the length of XY. And they have a little Desmos thing to prove it. I don't know if you can see the numbers or not. Like 8 and 10 adds up to 18. Cut 18 in half, you get 9. Let me go a little bit longer. 12.2 and 8 would be 20.2. Cut 22 and a half, 22.2 and a half, and you get 10.1. Or another cool thing is if you know what this length is, you can double this length, 20.2, subtract it from that one, or subtract that one from it, and you can get the other one. Maybe that's going to show up in one of the problems. Let's take a look at the problems they want us to try out. Apply the trapezoid mid-segment theorem. All right, I can already see it. Because that's 2 and that's 2, and that's 2 and that's 2, I know this is the mid-segment. So I know this is the average of those two. 9 plus 6 is 15. Half of 15 is 7.5. I haven't even read the question yet. Paxton makes a trapezoid handbags for her friends. She stitches decorative trim along the top, middle, and bottom. How much of the trim does she need for the 3 handbags? The three handbags? Holy smokes, okay. So she needs 6 and 9 is 15. And then I said 7.5. That's 22.5 times 3. I don't know, let's look at their blah, 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 blah. 7.5, right? 7.5 is the average of 6 plus 9. And then for one bag, it's 22.5. And then she's got three bags. Why 2? Oh, the other side of the handbag. I didn't think of that. Yeah, so the 22.5, then you got the other side of the handbag, so you got to double it to 45, then times 3 for the 135. Oh, I was wrong. Okay, the problem that they want us to try, I don't like very much at all. I will talk you through it instead of having you have to deal with it. Given trapezoid JKLM, what is KL? They want us to find this length up here. And they don't really tell us the values of both. They tell us this one's 25, but they tell us this one is 4/5 of XY. It's 4/5 of this. So I wish they just gave us straight out numbers. I think some of the homework problems do that. 4/5 of XY, so 4/5 of 25. 4/5 of 25. When you multiply a fraction times an integer, you can just put the integer over 1, right? 4 times 25 is 100. 100 divided by 5 is 20. So this is really 20. All right, and they want us to find the long length. Well, remember this one is half of those two added together, or if you want, you can double this one. So 25 doubled is 50, and that tells you that this one plus this one is 50. So 50 minus 20 is 30, so this one's 30. Another way of looking at it is 20 plus 5 is 25, so 25 plus 5 is 30. The answer is 30. Maybe I went too fast, but we can take a little more time in class to go over that if you'd like. 30. For homework, you can do 20, 25, 26. That's it for this video. Have a great day.